Also, trading on futures, you want to understand what is the meaning of, or what is the difference, or what is the meaning of these limits and market. So let me quickly explain it. In limit buy or limit sell, what you are going to be thinking about is that you are going to put the amount you want to buy at a particular price. Let's say currently this thing is not currently in a particular price, and you're expecting it to go down to that particular price so that you can buy. For example, you want it to come down to this price down here. Let me use a more now in limit buy or limit sell, you believe that this Solana is currently 2020, is currently trading at 2020, and now you expect it to come down to around $211, so that you want the system to automatically buy it for you at $211. And whenever it goes up to $23 again, so it's currently to $220, so whenever it goes up to $223, the system should sell it for you. So that is the meaning of limit buy. So now let me make it a practical. So let me put it on practical. So let's say, for example, this is limit. For example, this is a limit order. As you can see. So here you have limit order, you have long buy, you have MKR, and then you have entry price, and you have TP, and you have SL. So now I'm going to put this into practical. Limit order, you go to limits, then the order price here, as you can see, this is the order price, this is the entry price, it's also known as the order price. So 1468, so that is it. So let me choose the coin MKR. So this is MKR currently, and as you can see, it is currently trading at $1,494. So this is the limit. You are going to choose the price. You pick the price here, which is entry, and that entry is 1468.1. So you want your entry price to be 1468.1, as you can see here. So how much, this one is how much do you want to use to trade from the amount you have in your balance. So I'll be willing to use maybe like $50 to trade from my balance, and as you can see, there are some calculations here. And then go to take profits or sell loss, then you come here and then you pick TP is 1667.3, and you pick it here 1667.3, as you can see here. So as you can see here, this is 135%, as you can see. So it will take profit at the end of the trade. You are going to gain $6.7 as profit. And then sell loss, you can also set your sell loss so that you don't lose more than you expect. 1408.3, 1408.3, as you can see here. So that's 40% loss in case. So that 40% loss is around $2. So if the trade went bad, you will only lose around $2. You understand? So that is just it. So now you're going to confirm this place. Click on confirm, and then you see that it is already on order. So now let me refresh back. So now this is the part here. Have you seen all the information? Then I'm going to click on buy long. I said here on the Telegram, I said you should long buy. You understand? So then click on buy long, and you see you can also cross check everything and see the amount of profits. See the take profit and the sell. In case you have visited my channel for the first time, my name is Finance TV, and as you can see, I have been uploading different videos on this channel, and a lot of people have been watching and making money through the videos I upload on my channel. So right now, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification beside the subscribe button so as for you to be notified anytime I upload new video on this channel. Make sure you join my WhatsApp channel and my Telegram channel. I'm going to be adding it to the description of every video. So you have also seen comments from people who have really watched my video and make money through my video or solve their problem using my video which I uploaded on my YouTube channel. Also, please, after watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video with your friends and the sellers and everything. And then you are going to click on confirm. So once you click on that confirm, can you see the order has been set? Can you see? Before, in the previous video, you see that it will start on the position. Now this order is already set. This trade is waiting. Have you seen that now? That is the meaning of limit trade. It's currently waiting because this is the current price. The current price is 1492, and we have already said when it gets to 1468. Can you see? It is currently higher than that price. Once it goes down back to 1468, this order will definitely come to this position, and then it will start trading automatically. Do you understand that? So that means you are setting a limit price, the price you want the trade to start from. So once the price, this is the current price now, current price as we are speaking, and once the price goes down to this price that you have already set, the trade will start automatically. And once it starts automatically, whether you are on your phone or you are not on your phone, once the amount gets to the take profit, you understand, once you get to the take profit, it will automatically also take profit for you, or if it gets to the sell loss, it will automatically cancel the trade. You understand what I'm saying? So you can also check here for some information about maybe your past trade or something. If you come to this modify part here, you are going to see that you have this TP, take profits, and then everything. You can also reset them if you wish. So as you can see here, so you can, once the take profit gets to this amount, it's going to take profits, and once it gets to this down amount, it's going to sell at loss. You understand? So that is just how this works. You understand? So that is just it.